Hello friends, in this video I am going to answer a question how to run Facebook ads in USA from India and with how much budget you should run, right? Then let me tell you that if you're running ad campaign for the first time in USA from India, then how you can do it. Like as you can see, here is the location targeting, right? Whenever you create a new ad campaign, then in ad set level, as you can see, this is my ad campaign and this is the ad set level. In ad set level you can like target locations. So if you are running ad in USA, then just simply enter United States, right? And we can remove the India. So you can target United States in the ad set, in the location based targeting for running ad campaign in USA. Now it comes up to the budget part, that how much amount you should keep as a ad budget for running ad campaign in USA. Then let me tell you that if you are running for the first time and if you are experiencing that how much results you get from USA, like how many people contact you after watching your ad, then I would suggest you to keep your ad budget to approximate 5 USD to 10 USD per day. Aim for minimum ad budget of 300 USD per month, right? You can keep ad budget of 10 USD per day and 300 USD for a month, right? Then you will come to know that how many users have engaged with your ads and have contacted you, or how much sales you have received. Then accordingly you can increase your budget gradually, right? If you are getting good results when running a ad campaign with 10 USD per day budget, then increase it to like 15 USD or 20 USD or 50 USD as per your convenience. But in starting you should keep your ad budget, daily ad budget of 10 USD per day to run Facebook ads in USA from India. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.